Hello guys, in this video you're going to learn how to configure switches and the end devices. So come to the end devices. Under end devices, drag and drop two PCs and two laptops. Under network devices, come to the switches, drag and drop PT switch. So we need to connect all these PCs and laptops to the switches. So come to this connection. I'm going to select automatic choose connection type. Connect PC0 to switch 0 and also connect other end devices to the switches. So we need to configure PCs and laptops. So come to the PC0. So under desktop, click on this IP configuration. So we need to give the IPv4 addresses. I'm going to give 192.168.1.1. So press tab button to automatically fill up the subnet mask. Click close. Do the same thing for others end devices. The desktop IP configuration. I'll give another IP address 192.168.1.2. Press tab. So in the laptop also do the same thing, but give different IP address under the same network 1.3. And 92.168.1.4. We need to verify that all the end devices are connected successfully or not. So for that, I'm gonna send the packets which will be in real-time mode from PC0 to PC1. It's successful now, and also I'm gonna send PC0 to laptop 1. It's also successful. So from laptop 1 to PC1, it's also successful. Let's send it in simulation mode from PC0 to laptop 1. So we need to press the play button. It will send package from PC0 to switch 0, then switch 0 to laptop 1, and it will also send back laptop 1 to switch 0, switch 0 to PC0. I'll add the node to all the end devices where it will contain the IP addresses. I'm doing this for your references. Come to this PC0. Let's ping this using command prompt. Go to the command prompt. I'm gonna ping this laptop 1, which is having the IP address 192.168.1.4. So ping 192.168.1.4. It will send packets from PC0 to laptop 1. So it received 4 packets and it's also successful. What if we change the IP address of this laptop 0, that is which is not under the network? Like if I change this to 2 here and also change the subnet marks, we're gonna send the packets from PC0 to laptop 1. The packets which are sent are failed because the laptop 1 is not within the network. So as you can see here, so to work it should be in the same network. Let's try by again sending the packets from PC0 to laptop 1. Now it's successful. Take screenshot for your references. You can use for cheat sheets. Thank you for watching, guys.